If your Samsung TV is not displaying a full screen, there are several possible reasons for this issue. Overscanning, an incorrectly set aspect ratio, or faulty cables may be the cause. To resolve this problem, try adjusting the picture size by accessing the Settings section on your TV, navigating to Picture Size Settings, and customizing the size to fit your screen. Alternatively, you can change the aspect ratio by selecting the menu on your remote, choosing the picture option, and then selecting either 4:3 or 16:9, followed by pressing the screen fit option to see if it resolves the issue. Additionally, inspect the power cable connecting your TV to the power outlet, ensuring it is safely plugged in and checking for any damage. If the cable or outlet is damaged, consider replacing it with a new one. By trying these solutions, you should be able to identify and fix the problem, allowing your Samsung TV to display a full screen.